Bonjour, my name is Frédéric Leclerc and I am the director and, as it happens, grandson of the owner of Château Latour de By. This vineyard has been in my family for nearly 50 years and we have been supplying Brittany Ferries for more than 30 years. This wonderful chateau that you see behind me dates from 1876, although the vineyard has been here since the 16th century, when it formed part of the estate of the Seigneur du Fief de By. The other part of the name, Latour, was a lighthouse built on the site of an old windmill which was erected in 1825. We are located in the Médoc, close to the Gironde. The soil is gravelly and the vineyard covers a total of 74 hectares. It is stocked with 65% Cabernet Sauvignon, 30% Merlot and 5% Petit Verdot vines, and with an average age of more than 40 years. In order to improve quality, we have reduced the yield during recent vintages and now produce a very beautiful selection of Château Latour de By, along with the second wine, La Roque de By, which reflects the estate ancient name. If one looks back through the writings of some of the leading British commentators on Bordeaux, we can see that Latour de By has its fair share of admirers, and for some, including many Brittany Ferries passengers, seems to be a bit of an old favorite. And now we are pleased to be able to work with Brittany Ferries to offer Club Voyage members a very special offer of 6 bottles of Château Latour de By 206 in a wooden case for only £59.90. This Château Latour de By 206 presents a very deep red color, which comes from the very deep gravel soil that you can find on the terroir of Château Latour de By. The nose is made of fresh cedar, hints of wood, and the taste comes from the Cabernet Sauvignon, which gives a very high length and very smooth tannins in the mouth. Delicious.